Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the undisputed king of Toyota's truck lineup, the 22.5 TRD CrewMax. For 2025, Toyota hasn't just rested on its laurels. They've refined the beast. Visually, it remains a head-turner with its heritage-inspired Toyota grille, integrated LED light bar, and those aggressive 8-inch BBS forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. But the big news for 2025 is the arrival of the stunning new mudbath exterior, color a deep, earthy tone that replaces last year's Terra and perfectly encapsulates the TRD Pro's Gunnyware spirit. Whether you're crawling through desert dunes or cruising the highway, the 2025 TRD Pro commands a presence that its rivals can only dream of. Supported by a 1.1-inch front suspension lift and specialized FOX internal bypass shocks that offer the perfect balance between high-speed stability and rock crawling. Articulation under the hood, the TRD Pro comes exclusively with the powerhouse iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 paired with an electric motor delivers a staggering 437 horsepower and a massive 583 pounds-ft of torque. The instant electric shove makes this massive CrewMax feel surprisingly nimble, while the 10-speed automatic transmission ensures you're always in the heart of the power band. For 2026, we've also seen the addition of multi-function massaging front seats, now standard on the Platinum and Capstone, but available for the first time as a premium upgrade on the TRD Pro, ensuring you stay relaxed even on the roughest trails. Inside, the cabin is a tech lover's dream. Dominated by the 14-inch Toyota audio, multimedia touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that provides real-time off-road telemetry. With a maximum towing capacity of 11,175 pounds and the added confidence of the multi-terrain monitor system, the 2025 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro remains the definitive choice for those who refuse to compromise between hybrid efficiency and hardcore off-road capability. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this mudbath monster into the wild.